A very good morning, thanks for clicking on to the Monday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. Starting off the week on a fairly decent note actually. We do have a lot of winter weather to come over the course of this next 7-day period. But certainly starting off this morning, the sun is shining here in central Scotland, but that is going to change as we start to bring in some of that colder air, extending all the way back to Canada and Greenland. Through the course of today, we are going to cool the atmosphere down as the air mass starts to turn colder and colder with that wind. Winds will pick up, and we're also going to start to pick up some wintry showers. Showers that will start off maybe as rain will become readily turn into snow as we bring in that colder air. But we are going to see a rather wintry next few days, that's for sure. Winds will strengthen from the west, but of course the origin of the air is not from the Atlantic, it's from the Arctic, so that is why we're going to see daytime highs probably struggling to get out of the mid-single figures over the next few days. Then as we push towards the middle part of the week, we could be talking about a storm, severe gale force winds, but also the exact track will be crucial, but it looks as if on the northern side of that we're going to see some fairly heavy snow, disruptive snow as well through the middle part of the week. So this is off the GFS. You can see here that the cold front that brought the wind and rain during the night is now pushing across the North Sea into the near continent, and then we're starting to open the door to the colder air. Then as we push through the late afternoon and into the evening hours with the darkness coming back in, the atmosphere will continue to cool, so therefore we're going to be seeing snow showers even down to low levels. As we push through the course of tomorrow, strong winds as you can see here, plenty of frequent blustery showers falling as snow even to low levels, so don't be surprised across central portions of the British Isles in the north. No matter what elevation you are, you could be talking about accumulating snow and a pretty nippy wind as well. This is as we push towards late tomorrow and then the Wednesday. You can see here a little kink in the isobars indicating a little bit of energy in the upper atmosphere that could instigate enhanced shower activity, so of course falling snow. And as we push through the course of Wednesday, you notice here there's a system that is going to rapidly deepen and push right across the central portion of the British Isles. Now unfortunately this map is not going to upload, so I'm going to have to just kind of talk you through it. But the centre of that low looks as if it's going to push to the south of the central belt, keeping the central portion of Scotland and the north of Scotland in the cold air. So that means we're going to see wraparound moisture, the winds, but heavy snow is going to be a high likely event, I think, through later Wednesday and into Thursday across central Scotland. So watch this space. We could be dealing with some pretty nasty winter weather through the middle portion of the week. Then as we push through the second half of the week, we'll maintain a fairly wintry theme overall. Lots going on. Keep it right here on YouTube and on markvoganweather.com for more. I'll be back in the next few days with more. Do check out the written post later. Bye for now.